Good afternoon. Today on Outdoor Possibilities, we will be reviewing Quest Gold Strike Pay Dirt panning from home. What this episode's all about is how to pan gold from home. These are basically, you can get pay dirt online and learning how to pan gold. I've done a few of these now, so today I'm going to review Quest Guitars Gold Strike Pay Dirt. First thing we're going to do on our gold bag is we're going to open it up and pour it into the gold pan. If I can get it open. Our next step, I'm going to strain the lower than 15 pay dirt through the 5 mesh strainer. Our next step will be to use a magnet to take any to check for magnetics in the pay dirt. This step makes it easier for panning because the magnetics are heavy and will move with the gold when you're panning it out. So this is just kind of a way to cheat a little bit by taking the magnetics out. So when we're panning, it makes it easier to find our gold. I'll bring it in closer so we can. The next step is we add jet dry to our water to ensure that there's no floating gold. It breaks the surface tension of the water and no little small gold particles float away. We will start by panning our bigger stuff here, our plus 15 first. You take the pan, you spin it around like this. We call this classifying or stratifying it. You mix up the pan really good. All the gold will go to the bottom into the corner because the gold's heavier than the rocks. Re-stratify it and just do the process over and over. Okay, so I'll take my snuffer bottle and suck up the gold that we got. Now we're gonna go from our earlier thing, we're gonna go to the plus 5 strainer. I'm gonna pour some in here, a little bit at a time, and then do the same type of panning technique. Put some water in, stratify it. Get it good and moving around, mixing it up. So all the gold will go to the bottom of the gold pan. And then we're gonna go ahead and start panning some of the dirt away. Just doing it like this. Remember, the heavier stuff will go to the bottom of our pan. So occasionally we'll re-stratify all the stuff. Make sure allowing the gold to go down to the bottom of the pan. That's why we stratify it. Stratify it again. And this time I will show you how to walk it, how we walk it back.
Gotta...
Stratify, stratify, stratify. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna start walking the heavier dirt to the bottom. And as you can see up here, there is my gold, where the heavy gold layer I said it would be. I'll zoom in for you. There's my gold, so I will scoop that up with. Okay, we're back. Now I'm going to transfer all the gold things into the pan, back into the pan, so we can wash it up and weigh it out. That is some of the gold that we recovered out of that bag. I'll bring you in for a close-up here. The next step is to dry out the gold so we can weigh it with the heat gun. Well, the final weigh-in is 0.70, which is more than a half a gram. So that was a very good score off of the Clash Gold Crumbs Pay Dirt. I highly recommend them. I hope everyone enjoyed that video of gold prospecting from home and how to do it. It's a fun hobby. It's not for a return of investment. What we got there was about $26 worth of gold, which is usually better than average. The bag cost $50, so return on investment's just under 50%, or around 51%, about 50%. So it's not a money-making thing. It's just something to do for a hobby and something to pass a little time while you're at home if you want to try something different. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thank you.